I totally forgot this was coming. Hi guys, welcome to Off the 10th. My name is Chris, and today I have a package here that I received from a brewery that I totally forgot about. Yeah, so before I even get into that, I'm gonna crack open a beer and enjoy it with you guys whilst I get into this beer, into this package anyway. This is a shocker. Actually, I was working yesterday and then I got a text saying a package from a brewery came for you. I'm like, what? Really? And then I remembered why it was coming. But anyway, here's story time for you guys. I was at work bartending as usual at my location, to which I will not tell. Just for my own, personal safety. But anyway, I'm on the bar, I'm working, and in comes a gentleman and a lady, and they come up to the bar and they said, who do we talk to about getting a beer put on one of your taps? And I said, well, if you got a card, you can, leave it with us and we'll give it to someone who can then in turn will contact you, and then you can get your possibly get your beers put on tap here where I work. So with that being said, I then proceeded to ask them, what brewery are you from? And he said, well, I'm the owner of Lost Craft Brewery out of Toronto. I'm like, wicked. I like your Crimson Red Ale. He goes, what? You know my beer? And I said, yes, I do. I do know your beer, and I actually enjoy the Crimson. I've had it a lot of times, especially down in Fort Dalhousie over at the Kilt and Clover. Pretty much one of my go-tos when I was going there. I at least have one of those every time I go down to the Kilt and Clover down in Port. Anyway, they said, oh, I'm glad that you enjoyed that beer. And I said, yeah, well, I kind of enjoy craft beer in general. I have this YouTube channel, and I kind of do beer reviews and stuff like that. Well, I go, they're not really beer reviews. They're more of a, how would you say, an opinion review. Basically, I kind of explained what I did on this channel and stuff like that. He's like, oh really, what's the name of your channel? I said, it's Off the 10th. Wrote it down, and he goes, well, you know what, would you like us to send you some beers? I'm like, would I? Yes, I would. That'd be fantastic. So I gave him my address, gave him my information, and totally forgot about it. So then last night I was working, or yesterday during the day I was working. I get off work, I get a text saying, there's a package here from a brewery. I'm like, really? What brewery? And it's from Lost Craft. And here it is. I want to say thank you to you guys before I forget at the end of this video, which I will probably say it again. They sent me beers. I don't know how many beers are in here. It is pretty light. You know what? Doesn't really matter. I appreciate the opportunity. I will link these guys down below in the description. And of course, I'm going to throw them all over social media and tell them how awesome they are without even knowing what the beers are in the first place. Anyway, without any further ado, we are going to get into this opening. And we are going to cut this open. And let's see what we got here. And we're doing this in one take, people. One take. Let's get in this beer package right now. What do we got here? This mic actually sounds pretty fucking loud. Alright. Now I can hear the animals upstairs while I'm trying to do something. That's okay. Let's get this get open. I almost cut my face off. Alright. Let's see what I got in this package. Alright. So, I got a little card here right away from Lost Craft. Right there. There we go. And it says, great meeting you at your place of work. These beers are not available at retail. Enjoy. Okay, now I'm starting to get really excited because I wasn't expecting them to send me anything that wasn't in retail, but I appreciate it. So let's put that right there. I don't know if it's in focus. Well, let's see what we got here. All right. So they sent me a small batch series stout. That's all it's labeled at 6%. Lost Craft. There we go. 6%. Small batch series. Lostcraft.ca. Awesome. Awesome. Fantastic. Some airbags in there for me. Airbags. Yeah, fun bags. We got fun bags. Alright, let's get into this side here. So we can actually open this in one take. That should be a problem. Alright. Alright, let's see what we got. Open it up, motherfucker. Yep, a second beer. Small batch series again, labeled in at an IPA at 6%, which is fantastic. And I will do my own opinions on both of these beers. I probably won't do them at the same time, kind of want to get some more content for the channel. But anyway, we got 2 beers from Lost Craft, which is awesome. Hashtag free beers. You gotta love it. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for sending me these 2 beers, and I really appreciate it. I appreciate the opportunity to try out some of your small batch stuff that is not available in retail. Anyway, guys, that's my 2 beers that I received from this beer mill. Thank you again, Lost Craft. I really appreciate it. And you know what, guys? I'm done with the unboxing. I take a sip of my beer and then go with my ending spiel. Anyway, guys, I'm done with this video. Like the video down below. Comment if you want. You know what? And I'll let you guys know soon enough when I'm going to do these reviews or my own opinions, which will probably be shortly. And anyway, guys, comment, like I said, subscribe, hit that notification bell if you like what you see here. If you don't, then click it anyway. Make me happy. Anyway, guys, I'm done. Peace out, guys. See you later.